Hello everyone, my name is Johan Steven Moreno Collazos, and today I'm going to present you my lesson plan. My group is 14 and my first lesson plan is to adolescents. Her level is A2. The learning strategy is to improve the speaking, reading, listening and reading skills. The topic is verbs can and call. The objective is identify the correct way to use the verbs can and call in sentences and questions, to know the difference between can and call, and to learn how to ask something in a formal and informal way using can or call. To start, I'm going to introduce this topic. I'm going to try to explain in a clear and simple way the difference between can and call. For that, I'm going to use this comparative table. Uh, I will try to write in the board in this table, uh, for the students can take note about the most important difference between us, between, between it. Sorry. Um, I'm going to always try. I'm going to try always to do examples in every subject. Then I'm going to explain the correct way to create affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. And this first item uh, will take 20 minutes. Then I'm going to present a short video to explain a little more about the subject, and also I will try to answer all the questions from the students. For this, we will take 15 minutes. To practice, the student must write a short reading talking about the abilities of a classmate. For example, uh, any students go to write about the abilities of any classmate. Then the papers will be rotated in each student will come to the front to read the reading, and we'll have to try to guess who it is. This activity will take 40 minutes, and the end we are going to do a quiz. We are going to do a quiz, and I'm going to give to the students a print page that have 5 questions. For this, the student have 15 minutes. The materials that we are going to use is video beam, board, and writing page. My lesson plan 2 is for adults, and also level A2. The learning strategy is to improve speaking, reading, listening, and reading skills. The topic is the prepositions. The objective is identify the correct way to use the preposition and to know the difference between it, at, and on. To start, we are going to introduce the topic. I'm going to explain a clear and simple way the difference between that. I'm going to try to explain a short definition of each other, and I'm going to use this comparative table. For this, we are going to take 20 minutes. Then I'm going to present a short video um, that that explain a little more about the subject, and we are going to answer a question from the students. Uh, this take 20 minutes. To practice, the students must form groups of three students, of three people, and most spontaneously develop a conversation of maximum 2 minutes in front of the rest of the class where they talk about a topic of interest using the preposition of time and place. The objective of this activity is to evaluate the capacity, the ability of the students to speak and to use certain vocabulary. And I am going to correct the pronunciation and others aspects. At the end, if students must to record a 2 minutes video in English, obviously, explaining the correct use of preposition as must submit along with the video link and handwritten, where they tell a story about any topic and make use of preposition. This handwritten um, help me to know how the students write and, and led me to correct this reading. The materials that we are going to use is video game board, the phone for the student can record his audios, and the paper that we are going to write. All this will be developed in the class. For this we are going to take 20 minutes. And this is all for my classes. Um, Thank you so much and God bless you.